full display. The might is at full display. Pakistan is trembling right now as we speak and as we show, as the forces are showing what they are capable of. All right, we have some breaking news coming in. This is a visual coming in from the Indus Water Treaty abeyance. Chenab River near Sialkot is running dry. All right, so this is about Sialkot. It's a city in Punjab province of Pakistan, and visuals are coming in from nearby Sialkot. The river, the Chenab River, is running dry now, and the flow is almost invisible. You barely can see any water flowing through. India's water strike, viewers. This is India's water strike. You can see what India has done. It has started with the diplomatic and water strike as the first step of what has happened, of retribution, and now you see those visuals. It's a proof. While Pakistani propagandists continue to say that how can India do anything like that, it's for Pakistan to see. It's for the people of Pakistan to see, and it's for Asim Munir to see. It's for Bilawal Ali Bhutto Zardari to see. That river, how it has gone dry after India's water strike, where Indus Water Treaty abeyance is now showing effect. That is the visual coming in. Chenab River running dry. You can see that. I think it's a satellite image of what we're showing. Abeyance of the Indus Water Treaty taking effect. There were many propagandists saying that it can't happen so soon. It is not really possible. But there you have the impact. It's right there. It's well thought out, and India knows where to hit Pakistan. This, viewers, as Pakistan's taps will run dry, it is going to hit it hard on many fronts. The agriculture front, the power and energy front, and of course what gets affected ultimately is its military, its army, the Pakistani cowards. Chenab River there near Sialkot of Pakistani Punjab running dry, and abeyance of the Indus Water Treaty takes effect, and henceforth we see Pakistan is now going to be literally is gasping for water. Now you can see those visuals on what was there before the abeyance of the treaty. You can see in 26th of April, and to the right you can see 29th of April. This entire area has gone dry. Gursimran Singh joins us live on the broadcast for more. Gursimran, well, it's for everyone to see and Pakistan to now feel and accept what India can do. India's water strike has now brought in this impact. Chenab River, that area near Sialkot, has gone completely dry, almost dry. There's nothing much that is visible since 29th of April.
Yes, Rakshita, you have rightly mentioned that it's only the April, but Pakistan is facing the real heat. The real heat for its wrongdoings in the Jammu and Kashmir, the Pahalgam terror attack, and now it's facing the heat that the waters have gone dry in the Chenab River in Pakistan, which also helps in the 75% irrigation of the entire the state of Pakistan. But now they are facing the shortage of water because the Chenab River has gone dry, because India is no more bound to abide by the agreement that is the Indus Water Treaty. India no more needs to see what Pakistan actually needs. India no more has to abide by the agreement. India no more has to see all the wishes of the Pakistan or what Pakistan actually needs. It's the India's will. If they want to release the water, they will release the water. If they do not want to release the water, they will not, because now India is not bound by any of the treaty that it was bound a week earlier. Because what the Pakistan did in Pahalgam, India has destroyed everything completely for the Pakistani side, and now the Pakistan is actually feeling it on the ground when their people, those who are on the other side, those who have now starting their harvesting season is almost over there in Pakistan, and now they have to sow the crops. Now the things are getting really very difficult for them, and the real impact, if you want to see, it will come in the next 5 to 6 months when there will be no crops on the ground for the Pakistan, and it has to suffer a lot.
Right, thank you so much, Gursimran, for joining us with those details on